Lanco is an integrator.
We build integrated automated assembly lines for our customers, and depending on what their product is, depends on what the machine is that we build for them.
We're in the consumer market, medical field. We do a lot of automotive, aerospace, defense. You name it, we've probably designed a machine for it. You're always learning here. You're doing new things every day, very high paced.
Kind of didn't want to do that, but just sitting in an office job to be able to do the programming and sometimes actually get some hands-on experience.
That's a very cool place to work.
Lanco is a great place to make a career.
The company recognized my growth in skill and leadership and promoted me up through the ranks as opportunity provided.
Lanco does a good job of trying to find the best fit for you, and we'll work with you to try to realize those goals.
We have customers all over the world.
I've traveled all over the world, spent a month in Asia and Europe, and got to see a lot of really cool places.
Lanco is an employee-owned company.
You do get direct compensation on our bottom line, so if the company does well, you do well.
If you enjoy tinkering on things, working on your own vehicles, taking things apart, anything mechanical or electrical, sky's the limit. I mean, with the backing that we have and all of our team members, we can do whatever we put our minds to. I mean, the things that we do are awesome. Why wouldn't you want to work here?